I've been running in place with my boots full of lead. Every step I take just circles my head. I say I'm gonna win, then I buckle in half, bite down on my pride, and I laugh a sad laugh. I'm so damn tired, but I can't clock out. Something keeps turning every thought upside down. Remote control head, keep flipping my mind. Remote control head, I can't get a line. Lord help me now, I'm holding on thin. Remote control head, I gotta start again. I lay down to sleep, but the night stays loud. One eye on the ceiling, 1 foot in the ground. I'm trying to breathe, trying not to break, but the whole damn room keeps changing shape. I'm so damn tired, but I can't clock out. Something keeps turning every thought upside down. Remote control head, keep flipping my mind. Remote control head, I can't get a line. Lord help me now, I'm holding on thin. Remote control head, I gotta start again. My boy's in a cage, and he didn't do wrong. They looked at his name and got the truth all wrong. They nearly took his life and called it law. I keep pounding the door, but they won't see what I saw. I'm trying to open eyes, but they stay shut tight. Either they don't care or they bury the light. Remote control head, keep flipping my mind. Remote control head, I can't get a line. Lord help me now, I'm holding on thin. Remote control head, I gotta start again. If I had one clean hour, I'd trade it for peace. I'd lay down this worry and let my boy breathe. But I'm still here talking to a cold, closed wall, still trying to tell the truth through a hard, long haul. Remote control head, keep flipping my mind. Remote control head, I can't get a line. Lord help me now, I'm holding on thin. Remote control head, I gotta start again. Remote control head, I'm calling you out. Remote control head, don't leave me here